Streamlining your food operations with 5S method. Hi there, my name is Felicia and I help food business optimize their food operations. Today, we will talk about a workplace methodology called 5S. 5S is a workplace organization methodology that focuses on creating a clean, organized, and efficient work environment. The name 5S is derived from the 5 Japanese words that represent each step of the process. Sort. This step involves separating the necessary items from the unnecessary ones. It helps in eliminating clutter and optimizing workspace. Set in order. In this step, everything is assigned a specific place, ensuring that tools, equipment, and materials are easily accessible when needed. Shine. This step focuses on cleaning and maintaining the workplace to ensure a safe and hygienic environment. Standardize. Standardizing procedures and practices helps in maintaining the improvements achieved through the first 3 steps. It involves creating clear guidelines and visual aids. Implementing the 5S system in food manufacturing offers several benefits such as Sustain. The final step is to sustain the improvements by creating a culture of continuous improvement and discipline among the workforce. 1. Improved efficiency. By eliminating unnecessary items and organizing the workspace, employees can easily find the tools and materials they need, reducing time wasted searching for items. 2. Reduced waste. The 5S system helps identify and eliminate waste in the form of excess inventory, and used equipment, and inefficient processes, leading to cost savings. 3. Enhanced safety. A clean and organized workplace reduces the risk of accidents, improves ergonomics, and promotes a culture of safety among employees. 4. Increased product quality. By standardizing processes and maintaining a clean environment, the 5S system helps prevent contamination and ensures consistent product quality. 5. Employee engagement. Involving employees in the 5S implementation process fosters a sense of ownership and pride in their work environment, leading to increased motivation and productivity. By implementing the 5S system, you can create a clean, organized, and safe work environment that promotes productivity, quality, and employee engagement. Have you tried the 5S method in your facility? How did it go? A quick little tips for you is that humans are resistant to change. Your 5S success depends on your team. We work with our client team to implement subtle changes that leads to larger changes in impact over the long run. Start the journey towards a more streamlined and successful food manufacturing operation by embracing the principles of 5S today. If you need assistance with 5S project, whether it is designing or implementing, reach out for our guidance and assistance.